Let's be honest, Temu is everywhere. It's in your feed. It's in your ads. It's that one friend who keeps sending you links saying, "Bro, it's only $6." The prices look unreal, but here's the real question. What's actually worth buying? Not what's just cheap. Not what just looks cool in a 10-second clip. Not what breaks after 2 days. I'm talking about gadgets that genuinely deliver value. Things that surprise you. Things that solve real problems. Things that make you say, "Why didn't I get this sooner?" So I did the work. I spent weeks digging through Temu, testing, comparing, filtering out the junk. And today, I'm sharing 20 gadgets that actually impressed me. From smart tech and travel gear, to clever tools and home upgrades. This isn't a random haul. It's curated. Every item earned its spot. And if you want to check any of them out, all product links are in the description below. Let's jump in. Gadgets number 20. NFC Photo Phone Case. At first glance, it looks minimal, clean, slim, premium. But tap your phone to the back and boom. It displays a custom image using NFC and an ink-style screen. No battery, no Bluetooth, no charging. You can change the image anytime. Quotes, photos, business logos. It's subtle, it's smart, and it works beautifully in sunlight. If you love personalizing your phone without stickers or bulky cases, this is one of the coolest low-key upgrades out there. Gadgets number 19. Mini 3D Printer. Forget those massive, noisy machines. This compact desktop 3D printer is surprisingly advanced. Auto calibration, automatic Z offset adjustment, print error detection, load filament, upload file, print, game pieces, custom tools, replacement parts, fun gifts, and it's quiet enough to run while you work. If you've ever said, "I wish I could make that," this makes it possible. Gadgets number 18. Laser Virtual Keyboard. This thing feels futuristic. It projects a full QWERTY keyboard onto any flat surface using a red laser grid. It tracks your finger taps in real time. Connects via Bluetooth. Fits in your palm. Is it for writing a novel? No, but for travel, presentations, quick typing, it's insanely cool. It's one of those gadgets that makes people stop and ask, "Wait, how does that work?" Gadgets number 17. Mini Solar Panel Charger. No battery inside. No overheating risk. No standby drain. Just sunlight, USB power. Stick it to your backpack, your tent, your car. Perfect for hiking, festivals, emergencies, or travel days when your phone hits 2%. Small, smart, reliable. Gadgets number 16. Anker Nano Power Bank. Most power banks are bulky. This one fits in your coin pocket. Built-in USB-C connector. 22.5 W fast charging. No cables needed. It's one of those gadgets you forget you're carrying until you need it, and then you're very glad you have it. Gadgets number 15. 3D Hologram Fan Display. This is wild. Spinning LED blades create a floating 3D image midair. Logos, animations, custom graphics. Perfect for stores, events, or just flexing in your room. It looks like sci-fi tech, but it's real and surprisingly affordable. Gadgets number 14. Modern foldable sofa bed. Small space? No problem. This stylish sofa folds into a lounger or full bed. Velvet fabric. Solid frame. Built-in storage pockets. Perfect for apartments, home offices, or last-minute guests. Functional furniture at a surprisingly fair price. Gadgets number 13. Inspection Scope Camera. Flexible camera with built-in 4.3-inch display. Waterproof. LED lights at the tip. Dust resistant. Check behind appliances. Under floorboards. Inside engines. It's not something you use daily, but when you need it, nothing replaces it. Gadgets number 12. Underdesk Mini Treadmill. Ultra thin. Remote controlled. Slides under your bed. Walk while working. Get steps in while watching TV. Quiet motor. Apartment friendly. If no space has been your excuse, this removes it. Gadgets number 11. Mini Thermal Color Printer. Portable photo lab in your backpack. No ink. Thermal printing. Borderless photos. Print stickers, labels, journal entries. Perfect for creators, students, memory collectors. Small size. Big fun. Gadgets number 10. Smartwatch with hidden earbuds. This one surprised me. Wireless earbuds stored inside the watch face. They charge inside, snap magnetically, auto pair, steps, music, calls, notifications, all from your wrist. If you hate carrying extra gear, this is genius. Gadgets number 9. Ultrasonic skin scrubber. Deep pore cleaning, exfoliation, serum infusion. For modes: USB rechargeable, compact for travel, spa level upgrade without spa level pricing. Gadgets number 8. Magnetic heat bag sealer. Press, slide, seal, keep snacks fresh. Reseals frozen food. USB rechargeable. Built-in magnet sticks to your fridge. Small gadget, huge daily use. Gadgets number 7. Touchless toilet flush sensor. Wave your hand. It flushes. Easy install. USB rechargeable. More hygienic. Once you stop touching flush handles, it's hard to go back. Gadgets number 6. Bed phone holder arm. Flexible arm. Strong clamp. No wobble. Watch hands-free. Scroll comfortably. Works on desks or headboards. You won't realize how useful it is until you try it. Gadgets number 5. Magnetic levitation moon lamp. It floats and slowly rotates. Based on NASA moon imagery. Multiple light modes. Calming glow. It's peaceful, futuristic, and a perfect gift. Gadgets number 4. 20-in-1 mini cleaning kit. Precision brushes, port picks, micro cloths, anti-static tools, clean keyboards, earbuds, charging ports. If you're tired of dusty tech, this is essential. Gadgets number 3. Sensor tissue box. Wave your hand, tissue pops up. Hands-free. USB rechargeable. Perfect for cold season. Simple, clean, smart. Gadgets number 2. Wi-Fi extender. Plug it in. Connect via phone. Boost signal instantly. Great for dead zones. Affordable alternative to expensive mesh systems. Gadgets number 1. Mini Bluetooth label maker. Print labels instantly. No ink required. Pantry jars. Cables. Storage bins. If you love organizing, this is addictive. And there you have it. 20 Temu gadgets that actually deliver. Not hype. Not gimmicks. Not instant regrets. If even one of these solves a problem for you, then this list did its job. All links are down below in the description. If you enjoyed this deep dive gadget roundup, hit like, subscribe for more real, no-nonsense finds, and tell me in the comments, which one would you actually buy? Or better yet, which one do you already own? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.